You did say something that you were going through marital issues and you were being accused of something you were not guilty of.
Yeah.
On the internet space, you never came out to clarify anything.
Yeah, it's difficult to clarify yourself because the same people that are bullying you on the internet, they are still there. They're going to say, whatever you say, they're like, no, don't mind him. He's still missing her. Why? Go ahead, move on. Well, they just make you feel like, what's going on? And if you are not prepared to handle it, you'll be crushed.
Emeka Ike don come out to come prove say no be only women them they go through a lot in marriages, so say even men them they pass through a lot when it comes to marriage saga. Hey my people, how una day? Is your girl see me? I don't carry another news come drop for una know say na latest news I dey carry updates where they scatter brain. So on today's episode na Emeka Ike matter we carry come. Emeka Ike is a popular Nollywood superstar and a great actor who has proven himself with his talent in acting. He has featured in so many movies with the likes of Genevieve Naija and so many other celebrities. Emeka Ike don come out in an interview come talk say him marriage no be waiting to talk about. Make we listen to wetin he talk.
You did say something that you were going through marital issues and you were being accused of something you were not guilty of.
Yeah.
On the internet space, you never came out to clarify anything.
Yeah, it's difficult to clarify yourself because the same people that are bullying you on the internet, they are still there. They're going to say, whatever you say, they're like, no, don't mind him. He's still missing her. Why? Go ahead, move on. Well, they just make you feel like, what's going on? And if you are not prepared to handle it, you'll be crushed. Okay? My secondary school, St. Nicholas College on CMD Road, Magodo, was shut down. Over $480 million naira investment. That year, 480 million naira investment was shut down, and all I had was constant battery. And I was always saying, look, I don't beat this lady. What's going on? I went on air. I was like, come on, I never did. Babe, what's going on? They said, do I? No, but you're a star, you know, they can always manipulate things and all that. So I felt I was gullible until I discovered that she was actually the one behind this whole thing. You know, some ladies are too desperate for marriage lately, and she actually told me one time that I'm not the marriage type. I didn't understand it. So the young men needs to know that there are plenty of ladies that are not the marriage type lately, and they're the ones that get you and I first. The good ones don't show the things, the signs that you want to go to a party with a girl. But these ladies show you everything you want to see, and then when you get into it, there's a luck. So it was depressing to find out that the person you were actually confiding in knows that the men were coming to your house and was making calls with them and arranging and discussing this thing. And the resolution was, okay, after it all, blackmail him. I was busy grouping with the blackmail. I didn't know it was much more than that. So my school was shut down. Students were told, go home. This school is shut down. This marriage is shut down. On the same day, I was on air heading for a movie shoot in America. They already knew I was traveling. They were planning it. So I had to do, I was directing a movie, and I was going to act in one of the movies. So 2 movies for J&J Pictures in Maryland. So they knew I was going to be away for a while. So they took their time to plan. So I was on air when she rang the bell. And all the students came out and said, look, I'm shutting down this school right now. You all have to go tell your parents, put you in another school. I wasn't waiting for it. I came back home to nothing. My property, my house has been moved. Everything in there, because my house is in Ogudu GRA, where I built my own house. But I was staying close to St. Nicholas College in Magodo, because if a student needs attention, I should be able to wake up 2 a.m., 3 a.m. to attend to it and do what I got to do. So they had moved all the properties I have in Lagos. I lost plenty of them, like 80% of my lands, because it was just a bag I traveled to America with that I had just with me.
So the documents for those lands were taken.
People are bidding on my...
When I don't hear am now, say marriage no be bed of roses. So my people, before you enter inside marriage, make you wash your eye well. make you pray say baba God direct me as my mama and papa marriage work say my own go work.